Hey, good morning. Good Saturday morning. And I have a question for you. Who is sick and tired of not being able to see inside of their inexpensive Harbor Freight blast cabinet? I'm getting tired of it, man. So we're going to try to rig up some new lighting systems in here and see if we can make a difference. I was in there monkeying around, and the original light piece that's in there sort of fell, and the end cap came off, and I looked in there and I realized there's a damn filter. Hang on, let me just turn the damn camera around and post it and stick it in there and just do some work and let you see what I'm doing. Well, we're coming at you from the inside of the blast cabinet, and it's filthy. Right here is one of the first modifications I made. If you notice, I just used some electrical tape and a copper tube to hook up to the end of my my pickup tube, because these things get clogged all the time. So by putting this tube in there, it creates airflow under here, which allows material to be drawn up, and it's a hassle. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm getting good camera angles here. But so we're sucking air down through this pipe from the top, pulling material up through this tube, and it made a huge difference in how this thing operates. But let me try to get this gun out of the way a little bit so we can see what's going on. Hopefully that's better. So the cabinet comes with this cheap light, and I just realized that there is a diffuser of sorts in here, and I'm going to try to pull that out and see if it makes a little bit of a difference. Thousand times better. So why in the hell would you want to put that in there? All right, so we're going to put the little cap back on just to protect it. But you definitely want clear lighting. Let me get some cleaning rags and clean that lens off. Where's my cleaning rags? Alright, this is just regular old glass cleaner stuff. Wow, that's way brighter, but it ain't bright enough. So we're going to increase our lighting capability, all right, by adding these little $7 LED lights, very cheap, $7 from Ace Hardware. And what I've done is I've run the power cable, okay, through the vent up here. You can't see it in the camera. Well, here, I'll just adjust it. Right up here in the back of the cabinet, I just shoved the cables through the back. That's where it's drawing air in from the outside. Plenty of room to fish these cables through. And you'll notice that I sort of wiped the top here. Camera back down. And what we're going to do, so we're going to add 2 more light strips in here. And these little guys are super bright. And they come with a little hardware pack that's got some 3M sticky tape in there. That's what we're going to do. We're going to sticky tape it on. So, you know, kind of wipe this up. I don't know, we'll see if it's good enough to hold the sticky tape. We shall see. Guess we'll just stick one on each end. See? Little 3M action. I figured for $7, I wonder if that's even going to be enough to... Figures. I stuck the sticky tape in the wrong spot. Good job, Watson. Frickin' screwing up. Alright. I made a mistake. I gotta sacrifice a half a piece of tape over here. And well, you know, maybe I'll just get away with one. Put it in the wrong spot. It should go on the end here so there's a little bit of height. And then I'm just gonna pop it up in here. Let's see what happens. See if it holds. Come on now. There's one sticker. Two sticker. Oh yeah, it's nice and snug. And then we'll just pull this cord. Take the slack out. I don't need two in here. I'm pulling this other one out. Alright. Let's reposition the camera a little bit. So I'm basically going to just pull the slack out of this big vent hole. So it's going to hold on its own. And look at that. Boy, it's nice and bright. Until I get my electrical all taken care of along the wall and get everything nice and clean, this is my temp solution. I have, this is for the vacuum, obviously. Right. Good to go. This will create enough suction that we won't get any bleed through out here. Check out the light inside the cabinet. It has never been this bright as long as I've owned this thing. What the hell's the matter with me? So that's pretty cool. Now, that extra light bar, I'm gonna put a little light on my in my wash cabinet here. I have to say that option worked really nice. Got some good clear light on the subject here. So, $14. I just took a little brake cleaner, cleaned all the existing whatever's on that lid, so I had a good clean surface. That's on there with 3M tape. I'm sure you can put magnets on there without any problems, so you can take it off and remove it and clean it if you need to. But hey, it's low voltage, LED, super bright. And they're super bright over here. So let's get some air moving here and see how the cleaning process goes. I think we're onto something here. Much better looking. Now if I just replace this inner layer, you can see through here, it'd be even clearer. I've got a couple sheets up there, but we'll let this one go for a while. So what am I doing here? I'm not trying to get this thing down to bare metal 100%. I'm knocking off all the loose stuff the best that I can. And then we'll go ahead and put some type of a little, filler primer or something on it and give them a shot of paint. The idea here is to get the vehicle safe, not to do a full restoration. So Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the booth. It's working. I wish it would. I wish I would draw blast media up a little bit better than I am though, because it pulsates. And if you guys got any recommendations or suggestions, it's not for lack of having material at the base of the unit to pick from. There's plenty of it there. I've got the vent tube in there, which works. It makes it a lot better, but it's still, I want to see constant flow of material. How do I convert this cheap box? What else can I do to make it even more efficient? All right, that's it for this particular video. We're going to keep working on these things and doing some more work on the 42. Talk to you later.